Welcome back, professionals. Today we are diving into the world of LinkedIn and discussing 7 tips to create a standout LinkedIn profile. Whether you are a job seeker, a freelancer, or simply aiming to expand your professional network, optimizing your LinkedIn presence is crucial. Let's get started. Tips for a good LinkedIn profile. Tip number 1 is choose a professional profile photo. First impression matter and your profile photo is often the first thing people see. Select a high quality headshot that presents you as approachable, professional and friendly. Avoid casual or blurry photos. Dress appropriate for your industry and maintain warm and confident expressions. Tip number 2 is craft a compelling headline. Your headline appears beneath your name and is a prime opportunity to showcase your expertise. Use concise keyword-rich language to describe your current role or highlight your unique value proposition. Be creative, but make sure it accurately represents your professional identity. Write a captivating summary. Your summary is like your professional elevator pitch. Take this opportunity to summarize your skills, experiences, and career goals. Use a conversational tone, highlight your accomplishment, and explain how you can add value to others. Keep it concise and engaging to capture the reader's attention. Showcase your experience. Your experience section is the heart of your profile. Provide comprehensive list of your professional experience, including job titles, company names, and descriptions of your responsibility and achievements. Quantify your accomplishment whenever possible and use action verbs to make your descriptions dynamic. Tip number 5 is highlight relevant skill. LinkedIn allows you to showcase your skills, making it easier for others to endorse your expertise. Select skills that are relevant to your field and demonstrate your proficiency. Arrange them strategically to ensure that most important ones appear at the top of your list. Tip number 6 is request recommendations. Recommendations carry significant weight on LinkedIn. Reach out to former colleagues, supervisors, or clients and kindly request recommendations that highlight your strengths and professional qualities. A collection of genuine recommendations can greatly enhance your credibility and build trust. Tip number 7, which is last but not least, is engage and network. LinkedIn is a social platform, so don't forget to engage with others. Interact with the industry leaders, join relevant groups, and share valuable content. Write thoughtful comments, participate in discussions, and congratulate others on their achievements. Cultivate meaningful connections that can open doors to new opportunities. That wraps up our tips for creating remarkable LinkedIn profile. Remember, the LinkedIn presence is the reflection of your professional brand. Invest time in optimizing your profile and building a strong network. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time. If you found this video helpful, then please subscribe our YouTube channel AgriFutura.